Hey everyone, I wanted to kind of show you how to set up a Google Meetup. So what you can do is you can start from any Google screen. This is my Drive, so I'm going to start from here. If you go to the right hand, make sure you're logged into your student account or your teacher account, of course, not your personal home account. On the right hand side, there's some tiles, and if you click on those, you'll see over here, you'll see something that says Google Meet. You click on that, and you hit join or start a meeting, and you're going to go ahead and name it. So I might name mine advisory meetup number one, and hit continue. And you'll want to hit join now, and then you'll be in the meetup. Now, what happens is it gives you this screen, and what you'll want to do is copy the joining information, and you'll want to paste that on any Google assignment or email that you're going to give your kiddos. You can also click add people if you wanted to and add them that way, but I would suggest making sure to copy and paste that information so that you can put it on any document that you need to. Cool thing about this, just real quick, is if you want to present what's on your screen, then there's a little button on the lower right hand corner that says present now. It's all the way down here. It says present now. If you click that, then you will see either a window or the entire screen. So it's one way that you can show students how to do things if they can't find something, or you want to give some instruction from a screen. The other cool thing you can do is select turn on captions. And what will happen with turn on captions is it's just like closed captioning. So all of a sudden you start seeing the words at the bottom of the screen. So that's just a quick tutorial. You saw my son behind me. Another quick tip, you want to make sure to be sitting someplace where, like your husband or your partner is not going to like walk through with just their underwear on, right? Everything in the background you want to make sure is school appropriate, and you want to warn your students about that too. Hope this video was helpful.